Today we are going to install faux tin ceiling tiles on this ceiling. It's 12 feet high. We need to figure out the layout and how we're gonna start here. We have a chandelier which we're gonna take down. So we have taken the chandelier down and now we're gonna start laying the tiles out. Normally we would like to try to find the center of the room and start from there, but in this case, since the chandelier it's right in the middle of the front door, we have to start from the chandelier so it doesn't look off. Okay, so we have struck the lines here all the way to the other side of the room, and we can start laying out the tile. We're going to start with the one that will be working as a medallion below the chandelier. We will use contact cement, both surfaces, apply it with the roller, let it dry for 15-20 minutes, and then put it on the ceiling. We have made marks on the tile as well, in the middle of each side. That way we know where to place it, so it's all nice and even. So we have already installed the first tile, which is going to be under the chandelier. Beautiful antique copper faux tin tile, design 210. Now we are getting ready for the next tiles. So we are applying the contact cement on the ceiling. We already have the tiles with contact cement outside, drying up. We have two tiles in place now. Jose is putting more glue on the ceiling for the next tiles. Basically that's all we do, just put the glue up, line the tiles up. When the glue is dry, put it up there. That's it. Now, because we're working with contact cement, it's good to have wax paper above the tile so we can move around as we're trying to place it in the correct position. How are we looking? So what we do, we push up the side where there is no wax paper, seal it. Once it's in place, when we have the lines lined up, and then we lift out the tile and pull out the wax paper right out, and then just push the tile towards the ceiling with a clean white cloth. Just to push the tile to the ceiling, make sure all the flat parts get glued. Push them all up lightly, and in the middle as well, all the way around, so we have a nice strong bond.